Hey everyone, today I'm diving deep into another AI tool called MagicSlides. Now, this is an AI presentation maker being used by over 2 million people at companies like Google, Shopify, OpenAI, and Netflix, as well as universities all over the world. As you can see here, it's really highly rated in different platforms such as Google Slides, Figma, and the rest. Now, it in the homepage, it shows you some sample presentations and templates that it has, and it even gives you a quick, simple step process on how to get started. All you have to do is share your idea, a topic, a prompt, let the AI work its magic, and then download your PowerPoint or presentation. And the caveat here is that we'll be starting with a free plan, which comes with a watermark when you download it. So I'll be going over the pricing later and the benefits of upgrading your plan. And anyway, I'll be going over all the features, the integrations, the resources, and how exactly to get started. Now, these are some of the languages that are available, but to simply get started, all you have to do is sign up. Now, as you can see, if you're going to try to generate, it's going to really first tell you to sign up. Now, let's try signing in with our Google to keep things simple. You can sign in however you want. And there, after signing in, you'll be brought up into the dashboard. Now, I'm already logged in, and just give it a little bit to load. There you go. Now, the cool thing about logging in and signing up is you have this page where you can see all the presentations you have made. So you can keep the history, you can edit it, you can reuse them as you want. Another thing is Magic Slides provide a wide array of templates for you to use. So you don't have to start from scratch and simply create things as they go. Now, if you're a creator or you have a specific brand, a company, you can add branding to your slide. So the AI can simply copy the design, copy the logo, copy the general style of your brand. You can manually upload, or you can auto fetch it from a company website or domain if you have that, making it much easier for you to customize your slides. It also has a feature where you can prompt it any idea, it will turn it into a slide in seconds. I'll be showing that off later. You can also generate an entire PPT similar to the generate presentations. You can create an AI Instagram carousel, and you can even integrate it with other tools such as Google Slides, Figma, ChatGPT, Telegram, and Zapier. Many tools that are used by a lot of businesses nowadays. Now, these are only available in the Pro plan, but it's just nice to know what you can do with it. Now, Magic Slides offers a lot of tutorials on how to use the app most effectively, and you can even invite your team members to your workspace so that you can work on the same presentations, you know, keeping the work much faster, making it more productive and easier for big teams. Let's go back to my presentations and let's try to make a presentation from the AI. Now here, all you have to do, you can either start with an AI, you can start your presentation from scratch, or you can import something you've already made from PowerPoint or Google Slides. Now let's start with AI. So really here, all you have to do is enter a topic or upload a URL from a website to get some reference, upload a file from a device, a PPT or what, or maybe even a concept file. But for now, let's try entering a topic. Let's see introduction to AI, make it colorful. And if you're not satisfied with this, you can even add extra instructions, such as topic titles, the names of particular headers, what chapters you want what details you want. But for now, let's just see what the AI can generate just from this. Now, for the free plan, there's only a max of 10 slides. As if you try to increase it, it will prompt you to increase your plan. So for now, let's try this with an English language. Let's see exactly what it can do. Now we can see here that it's starting to generate the outline of the presentation. Now it will show you a breakdown of each slide, and from there, give it a moment. From there, you can either choose to edit each part individually. You can ask the AI to regenerate each slide with this magic wand button here. You can reorder it by dragging this, or you can, trash some slides and have those regenerated. You can even add new slides as you wish and have the AI generate those as well. Now, let's start with not editing anything and having it generate the presentation to see, what it can do. Now, as the free plan, you can only generate one slide or one set of presentation, but the free plan is very affordable for you to upgrade and get more access to the features of this tool. Now, as you can see, it really generated every single part of the outline that it gave us. And the content is really aligned to an introduction to AI, artificial intelligence, so the key components, types, the machines, applications, etc. Now, the cool thing about this is it includes an agent where you can help create, edit, or enhance your slides. Now, unfortunately, this chat agent is only available to the upgraded plans. But from here, you can create more slides. You can edit particular slides or enhance your slides. So you can type something like, I want to edit the style of page one, give it more color. It'll do something like that. But sadly, this is limited to the upgraded plans. And from there, you can treat this as the same way you would treat any PowerPoint or presentation slides. You can edit it with the text, you can change the text, you can change the headline, you can make it a sub-headline, a bullet list, a number list. Like here, let's try editing the font. You can do that. You can change the font size as you wish, the color, anything you'd find in a PowerPoint presentation editor, you can find here. You can insert tables, upload media. You can add charts as you wish. You can even write a prompt to generate your chart. And you can even apply a background to select slides, such as you can do a range of slides. You can change the background color. So let's try from slide 3 to slide 6. Let's try that. And let's do some custom color. Let's say do blue. So you can see I did slide 1 to 3 here, and it made the custom color blue. And it even has a version history. So you can go back to changes, previous changes, especially if you make a mistake or someone. And you can even make the presentation public. So you can share the link of this presentation to your teammates for them to see and allow really more control for you. And you can even make them editors of your MagicSlides. This is especially helpful for big teams or even school projects. Those are group works and stuff like that. Now, if you're satisfied with your presentation, you can proceed to download it as either a PDF, PowerPoint presentation, or a JPEG or GIF. Now, let's try a PDF. Let's try a PowerPoint presentation. Now, the thing here is PDF or PowerPoint presentation is limited with the upgraded plan. So unfortunately, you'd need to upgrade first to even access your PowerPoint. Now, the thing here is you can even buy a single presentation if you just need this one and you're not really planning to, subscribe to the plan. But honestly, I feel it is more worth it for the plan. Now, let's go into the breakdown of the pricing of MagicSlides. Now, for the sake of uniformity, I'm going to go with USD, but you can go with your currency as they have different plans for different types of currency. Now, for the USD section, you can see that many companies and many educational institutes have subscribed to MagicSlides, and the deals are much cheaper if you do it annually. Now, for the monthly, it's $8 a month, 16 and 29 respectively for the Essential, Pro, and Premium. Now, in the essential, you get access to 10 presentation slides, higher text input, slides per presentation is up to 10 as usual, watermark free. So that means you can download, you can export formats in PDF, PowerPoint, Google Slides, and you can clone. And you get access to those essential AI powered content, such as the chat with your presentation assistant, the generated images. You can even Google search images for your PowerPoints. And you can get access to those integrations I mentioned earlier, such as Google Slides, Figma, ChatGPT, Telegram, Zapier, and the rest. Now, these upgraded plans give you more control and more generation. So for the Pro, you get 50 presentations to your name. The Premium, you get unlimited standard presentations. And you can do up to 50 slides for the Premium, and the Pro up to 15, so on and so forth. Same, you can get unlock also the AI powered content, other integrations, and many advanced features. And then from there, let's go back to the dashboard. So all you really have to do to get back to the dashboard is simply click here and go back here, click here and go back to the dashboard. Now for the free plan, you're really only limited to credits enough to create one PowerPoint presentation just to get a feel for and practice all the valuable features. So there really is, precedent for you to upgrade to the upgraded plans so that you can really unlock all the amazing features you can find in Magic Slides. Now, don't worry, if you're just getting started and want to dive deeper, they have a lot of tutorial videos, integrations, and some articles on how to do it. But really, if you're looking to create PowerPoints presentations really quickly, or if you're on the run out of time and you need something to present in a meeting, in a class, or a report, then Magic Slides is really the perfect tool for you. And now, if you enjoyed this presentation of Magic Slide, and you really learned a lot from this step-by-step video, please make sure to click the affiliate link below. Thank you.